Caring Hearts High School mantiere kachungo gura ma Matungulu ogolo jopuonjre ariyo man kod A-. Jata tije skulno Laktar Vincent Kituku owacho ni duoko maber oluwo maino ma jopuonj kod jopuonjre. Sikunno nyalo tero kwan atamalo 80 mag jopuonjre e mbalariany. William Siso Mutiso, ma bende en jakom mar riwruok mar jopuonj kod jonyuol, nonyiso mor mare kowacho ni nywako tich kod luor makare ema osekelo duoko maber. Sikundno nyiche notuomo wi ute mag fwambo bang' ka jadolo moro noriambo mar mondo mi oyud sir ne nyare.
Doing what is expected of me. I've been following the school rules and also following the encouragement of the other students who have been here and have passed, and also from the teachers and the school director.
We motivate our students very much, and we encourage them to have the intrinsic motivation. It should come from them, not forcing them. And they obey the school rules, they are very disciplined, and that is what has registered our high score and our student passing in the examinations.
The sacrifice you make, day in, day out, every week, all the time, to give really vulnerable students a future. And now they have a future. Congratulations. Look at this one. First of all, she comes from Kangundo.